Create a SCORM-compliant quiz. Though creating a quiz for Internet students can be the same as doing a quiz for regular classroom students, the first one has to comply with SCORM, or the Shareable Content Object Reference Model. This is essential so as to successfully measure the progress of online students. Hence, it is of great importance as an Internet instructor to know how to make a quiz that is SCORM compliant. Here is an easy guide you can follow to successfully make one for your students. Get a test creation program. Look for applications that support the creation of SCORM quizzes. One of the most popular test creator programs is the QuizCreator. Other applications include Question Writer and QuizForce. Install your chosen program in your computer following the instructions provided by the software's manufacturer. Study the test creation program of your choice. Take note that different test creation programs operate differently. Hence, check out the instructions in the software so you can master how to use it for your ease in the creation of quizzes. Check out the types of questions supported by the program, time limit, flash or audio capacity, and the like. This is to help you decide on what kind of quiz to create for your students. Prepare your questions for the quiz. Just like how you normally do a quiz, brainstorm questions. Make sure that each question is in accordance with your goal of assessing the progress of your students. Also, determine the type of quiz to create. Decide parts of the quiz such as true or false, essay, multiple choice, sequence, and the like. Create the quiz. Using the test creation program, create the quiz. Follow the instructions provided by the manufacturer so you can successfully come up with a SCORM quiz. For instance, QuizCreator has an Excel template, which allows you to start the creation of the quiz in Excel and import it later to the actual test creator program. Customize the quiz based on your goals. If your software permits it, customize the features of the quiz such as setting time limits, attempt times, passwords, and login names. This will help you guarantee the security and accuracy of the quiz. Then, save the quiz once completed. Publish the quiz. Find the LMS icon or the Learning Management System in your test creator program. Click it and then select the SCORM program for your quiz. Publish it in zip file package. Upload the quiz. After the quiz is finalized, upload the quiz to LMS. Try the quiz yourself so that you can test whether it works correctly or not. Double-check the quiz also for any kind of errors. Inform the test takers of the availability of the SCORM quiz. Communicate with the students that the test is ready to be taken. Take note not to forget to inform the students of the deadline and passing score so that the students will be guided properly when taking the quiz. A SCORM quiz has indeed a lot of benefits in assessing your online students. Aside from being easily accessible, it is also reusable for future assessments of different students. Thanks to the test creators in the Internet. Today, SCORM-compliant quizzes are not that much of a tough job to create.